Good morning, student. Today I will teach to you the next point in this chapter is the nomenclature system of carbon compound. You remember the nomenclature is given to the carbon compound in two ways. First is the common system and second is the IUPAC system. First, try to understand the first type is the system of common name or common systems. You know that at the traditional times, the only few numbers of carbon compounds is known. Therefore, scientists give the name to the carbon compound in different ways. That names are called common names. For example, alkane. In case of alkane, the first four members or first four examples is named on the basis of its source. It obtained from the different source. For example, first is the methane. CH4 is called as the methane. C2H6 is named as ethane. The third compound is C3H8. It is named as propane. And fourth is the C4H10 butane. This first four member name is methane, ethane, propane, butane. There is no any rules is there. This is the common names of these four members of alkanes. After the butane, the name of carbon compound is given depending upon number of carbon atom present in the molecule. For example, if it contains the 5 carbon, then it is named as a pentane. 6 carbon atom, named as a hexane. If the molecule contains the 7 carbon atom, it is named as a heptane. If the molecule contains the 8 carbon atom, it is named as a octane. Like this. 9 carbon atom, non-10. 10 is called as the decane. It means that in the common system, there is no any rules are used of in giving the names to the carbon compound. Again, you know that if the chain of carbon atom increases, then such type of compounds form its isomers. For example, butane. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10. This is the butane. Butane form mainly two isomers. One is the straight chain and second is the branch chain. Straight chain means like the condensed formula of butane CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. You see here, in these isomers, carbons are linked in one lines. Since it is an example of straight chain, you remember one important point. If the compounds are straight chain, then it is denoted by the prefix N. N for normal. N-butane. Why it is called as the N? Because in the molecule carbons are linked in a straight chain. All straight chain carbon compound generally denoted by N in the common system. And if the compounds are branch chain, then what happens? It forms a second isomer CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Here second carbon atom branch with 3 carbon atom. Then it forms a branch. Such type of branch compounds are given by I or iso or isobutane or ibutane. N-butane and isobutanes, the isomers of butane, because its molecular formula is same but structural formula is different. Such isomers are called structural isomers. In the common system, straight chain compounds denoted by the N-butane, and branch chain compound by the iso. Branch chain again named as two ways, iso and neo. For example, take the second example. Pentane. Molecular formula is C5H12O. Is the pentane. Pentane form three isomers. One is the CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. The name of compound is N-pentane because it is a straight chain. All 5 carbon atoms linked in one line. Therefore, all straight chain compound will be normal N-pentane. The same N-pentane form two another isomers, branched isomers like this. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Here, one of the carbon atom linked to the 2-methyl group. Such type of compound is a branch compound and it is denoted by the I or iso. Isopentane is an example of branch chain. Again, it forms third isomers CH3, 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 CH3. How many carbon atoms? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, ending carbon atom is linked to the 3-methyl groups. Therefore, such type of compound are called as the neopentane. Neo means ending carbon atom attached to other 3-methyl group. This is also branch chain. N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane is an example of isomers of pentane because molecular formula is same but structural formula is different. Such isomers are called as the structural isomers. You remember in common system, straight chain compound denoted by the prefix N and branch chain compound is denoted by or indicated by I or neo. I is used if the 1-methyl group, one carbon atom attached to only 1-methyl group, then is the only one branch is there, then is called as the iso. If the ending carbon atom attached to the other 3-methyl group, then is called as the neo. This both is the example of which type of chain? Branch chain. Such type of system is only used in common system, common nomenclatures. Again, second example, next example. You remember the general formula of alkane is which one? Cn H2n plus 2. Is it not? When the one carbon atom is less than the alkane, the obtained carbon compound is called as the alkyl group. Alkyl group. What is the formula of alkyl group? General formula. One hydrogen atom less means general molecular formula is Cn H2n plus 1. And this alkyl group is generally denoted by the R. R means alkyl group. Remember, very important word. R means alkyl group. And alkyl group means what is how to define the alkyl group? The hydrocarbon compound or group which having the one hydrogen atom less than the alkane. Such group is called as the alkyl group. In such hydrocarbon compound, how to write the common name? For example, one hydrogen less than the methane, that is the methyl group CH3. Let us consider CH3 group is attached to the OH. OH is the functional group of alcohol. And how to write the common name? First write the name of alkyl group, then add the word functional name. What is the common name? CH3 means methyl. OH is the functional group of alcohol, then add the word alcohol. We get a common name, that is the methyl alcohol. Take second example. Same thing. CH3 NH2. NH2 is the functional group of amine. Then how to write this common name? First write the name of alkyl group. What is the name of alkyl group? Methyl. Write the word amine. Methyl amine. Next, CH3, CH3, CH2, Cl. CH3, CH2, two carbon atom, ethane, one hydrogen atom, therefore common name is a ethyl. What is the name of common name is fluorine? Fluoride, ethyl fluoride, like this. The common in the alkyl group, how you write the common name? First write the name of alkyl group, then add the word name of functional group. Alcohol, amine, chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. But in common system, some hydrocarbon is named on its source also. This is very important. It means that in the common system, no any perfect rules are used of. Hydrocarbon compound is named in a different ways. Therefore, it is difficult to give the name to the all known compound. Nowadays, million numbers of hydrocarbon compounds are discovered. Therefore, how will you give the common name to all hydrocarbon compound? It is too much difficult. Therefore, new system is generated. That system is called as the IUPAC system, and this IUPAC system nomenclature is accepted all over the world. This IUPAC system will be taken in the next period. Thank you.